Yeah, very big deal that I'm making food in the kitchen and handling my daughter. Come on, let's normalize this. If my wife is a mother, I'm also a father, right? So, apart from the equality, I'm going to teach my daughter the financial independence so that she seeks a life partner, not a provider. Sooner or later, when she has her own family, she will be marrying for love. But that dude should have all the qualities what her dad has. I mean, he's gonna know that he's getting a beloved partner when he marries my daughter, not an housekeeper or a domestic help. So, to all the parents out there, if you have a son, raise them in a way that our daughters in the future feel safe, secure, and respected.